Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. We're in the kitchen making pickles, just your run-of-the-mill canned pickles, but we're going to show you how to make fermented pickles. We'll start out with the recipe, and this is mainly your liquid, your brine that you make. Now you can cut this in half. I pretty much cut this in half so I can just do 2 jars. That's normally what I do. And the time that it says to set them for fermenting, it'll depend on your taste. Now sometimes 7 days is great, depending on the temperature. But the last ones I made, I ended up going 11 days. So the difference is going to be how sour your pickles are. So anyway, let's take a look. Now, as far as I have my seasonings in here, and now what we're going to do is pack some pickles or some cucumbers in here. And like magic, we have cucumbers in our jar. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put this mixture in here, and really this funnel's probably not doing a whole lot of good, but anyway, what we want to do is we're going to put these weights on, and if you're ever doing any fermenting, I would suggest you buy you some fermenting weights. Oh, ain't that nice? And what I want to do is I want to make sure that I have enough liquid to cover everything in there, because you don't want, and this one here looks pretty good, you don't want anything exposed when you're fermenting. And the reason for that is it'll start molding. Anything that's out there will start molding. Now, you can take and use a regular lid. Just don't tighten it down very much. And like I say, depending on how sour you want your pickles, the flavor of them, you might want to go a little bit longer. Now, don't go a real long time, because you can leave them in here long enough that it'll actually start eating the pickle away, so it'll really get soft. Normally, like I say, about 7, maybe 10 days. And once you get them like you want them, just take one out and you can taste it. And if you like the way it is, then go ahead and refrigerate them. And they'll keep a good while in the refrigerator. A lot of people will say a few weeks or something like that. Now, I've kept these for a few months. It just depends on how fast I go through them, whether I'm wanting a pickle or not. But that's as simple as it is for making pickles, and they're good probiotics. So they've got that good lactic bacteria in them that's going to be good for your gut health. And I'm not a doctor, so that's all the information that you read. That's what the deal is. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you make you some fermented pickles. If you want to see more videos like this, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, give it a big thumbs up, and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.